Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode on some applications of trigonometry, we are going to see few more questions. This is the part 5. Previously we uploaded 4 parts, and the links of all these 4 parts are provided in the description box below. You can go through all these videos so that you will come to know the types of questions asked in the examination and how to deal with such questions. So now let us see the first question of the part 5. Friends, here is the question on the screen. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above a lake is 30 degree, and the angle of depression of the reflection of cloud in the lake is 60 degree. Find the height of the cloud from the surface of the lake. This question was asked in All India Examination 2010. So the angle of elevation of the cloud, let C be the cloud, and the angle of elevation of the cloud 60 meter above the lake from a point 60 meter above the lake means from A, the angle of elevation of this cloud is given as 30 degrees. So this angle is 30 degrees. And the angle of depression of the reflection of cloud, the reflection of cloud is point D, and the angle of depression from the point A of the reflection of the cloud is given at 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree, and we have to find the height of the cloud and that of the from the surface of the lake. That only we have to find. So here it is given that AB is 60 meter, so this EF will also be 60 meter. Let H be the height of the cloud, H be the height of the cloud from the surface of the lake. This is the surface of the lake, and from that the height of the cloud we are taking as H. This is 60, and therefore this remaining part CE will be H minus 60. This total is H. Out of that this part is 60 meter, so the remaining will be the H minus 60 meter. Now friends, first we will take the right angle triangle AEC. This is right angle 90 degree. So in triangle AEC, we can say that tan 30, or you may take cot 30, no problem. So cot 30, that is equal to adjacent upon opposite. Cot 30, that is equal to cot 30, that is equal to adjacent upon opposite. Adjacent is AE upon opposite is H minus 60. Now cot 30 is root 3, so root 3, which is equal to AE upon H minus 60. Now here multiply by H minus 60 to this side, and so it will be AE is equal to H minus 60 multiplied by root 3. So we have got the AE we have got as into bracket H minus 60 close the bracket into root 3. Now we will take the triangle AED, correct? Let this be number 1. So take the triangle AED. So in triangle AED, in triangle AED, we have AED, that is cot 60 is equal to adjacent upon opposite. Adjacent upon opposite. So adjacent is AE and opposite is ED. So cot 60 which is equal to cot 60 which is equal to it is h minus 60, close the bracket, into root 3. This is the AE which we have got here, that AE is equal to h minus 60 multiplied by root 3 upon this ED. ED will be what? This FD will be h. FD will be h, because the height of the cloud is, we are taking h, and therefore its reflection will be at h meter below the water. So this distance will also be h. So this total distance will be h plus 60. So it is h plus 60. Cot 60 is 1 upon root 3, which is equal to, into bracket, h minus 60, close the bracket, root 3 upon h plus 60. Now I solve to this side, so cross multiply, so h plus 60 into 1, that will be h plus 60, which is equal to, multiply by root 3 to this side, so root 3 into root 3 will be 3, multiply by 3 inside the bracket, so that will be 3h minus 6 3s are 18, that is 180. Now here take h to this side, so 3h minus h, that will be 2h, which is equal to, take 180 to this side, so 60 plus 180, that will be 240. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, and therefore h is equal to 120 meter. So write the answer at the end. The height of a cloud above the water level, that is equal to 120 meter. So this is the answer, that the height of the cloud above the water level is 120 meter. Now let us move to the next question. Here is the next question on the screen, that a bridge across a river makes an angle of 45 degrees with the river bank if the length of the bridge across the river is 150 meter. What is the width of the river? This is the river and this is the bridge over the river, which makes an angle of 45 degree with the river bank. So this is the river bank, and with this river bank it makes the angle of 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree. If the length of the bridge across the river, this is the length of the bridge. If this length of the bridge is 150 centimeter, then we have to find the width of the river. This width we have to find. So we will take this triangle, correct? So I name it as A, B and C, and this is 90 degree. So this is a right angle triangle. So in triangle ABC, here this is 45 degree. So here we will use the another trigonometric ratio, because this is 90 degree, this opposite side we have to find, and the hypotenuse is given. So we will have to use the trigonometric ratio which contains the opposite side and the hypotenuse. That may be cos 45 or that may be sin 45. Either of these two you can use to solve this question. So here we will take sin 45, that is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, that is x upon 150. So it is x upon 150. Sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. Sin 45 is 1 upon root 2, that is equal to x upon 150. Now take 150 to this side, so you will get x is equal to 150 upon root 2. we do not write certs in the denominator, so we will rationalize this, multiply the numerator by root 2 and the denominator also by root 2, so you will get x is equal to 150 root 2. We have multiplied the numerator by root 2 and multiply the denominator also by root 2, so root 2 into root 2, that will be 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. So x will be equal to 75 root 2. It is in centimeter, so the unit will be centimeter. So the width of the river, that is AC distance, is 75 root 2 centimeter. You can put the value of root 2 as 1.414 and multiply and find the answer. So friends, here I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.